What we're going to do is kind of walk around the room and we'll talk through any of the applications that we've got on site. I'll talk through the technologies and how they work, the processes that might be involved with the technologies, and then we'll have a go at doing some different outputs and stuff as well. Within wide format digital print, there's quite a few options and things that you can do with them. So we have different technologies that are aimed at specific markets, and some of the bits of kit can cover a whole range of applications and markets. So they're very diverse machines, and for instance you could have one machine that could have 50 different outputs, all that designers have access to or can utilise for their designs. People seem to think of print as just flat 2D single layer output, whereas it's not. The printers can understand a lot more information than that these days, and when we're talking through engraving and things as well, or UV machines that can create texturized embossed effects and things like that, you really are starting to look at different realms, I guess, of print, being able to, without costly setup processes. So for example, if you were going to be printing onto, I don't know, an item, a laptop bag, whatever it might be, instead of being able to pad print or screen print, you can print directly onto these items, which a lot of people don't think's a viable option, but it's all out there. With digital print, you can print any image, and there's no extra setup cost. Everything comes in, and whether you print one version of one design or 100 versions of 100 different designs, it doesn't make any difference. You can bring in a JPEG, press print, and away you go. Or you can start to build a lot more information into your designs. So I guess a lot of people will create vector-based design work, which obviously for scalability works great. So if you are going to be printing small stickers, small devices, small prints, whatever it might be, up to wrapping the side of a caravan or a building, there's so much scalability there because the quality isn't lost when you're using vectors. But you can print photographs, you can print just about anything. Learning about the different technologies as we have today, going to visit people who can inspire you about these different outputs. There's always trade shows and talking to your suppliers and things like that that will really sort of broaden your horizons and show you what's possible with the different bits of kit.
It is unbelievable. The manufacturing processes, it's given a massive insight into that, what is possible, things that you didn't even know about. When you see cars driving down the road with painting on, you think, oh, it's been sprayed, painted, wrapping cars. I mean, who knew that I was coming to wrap a smart car today, down to different types of fabric printing, engraving, just so much stuff that you could get your creativity and designs on. It's just been, yeah, it's been unbelievable.
Even just very simple, from the flocking and the foiling and the spot varnishing and all, and the die cutting, which is right at the very basic level of the things that you can do, right up to being able to print on shoes and wood and cars, and we've talked about how amazing it would be to do bits of furniture, chests of drawers, all sorts of wonderful things, and it's so seamless and beautiful. So yeah, I'm going away with a head full of ideas, dangerously.
Without knowing how these processes work and what types of materials you can print onto, you're kind of held back a little bit by your own imagination. You kind of almost need to know what can be done before you start the process, because that will give you all sorts of ideas. I think we've all come away with ideas of how we want to pattern our cars and garden sheds and any other object that's going to stand still long enough to get it in a printer. So yeah, really inspiring. The guys here have been really welcoming today and really generous with the information that they've given us, and I think we've all go away buzzing with new ideas.